Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to update to the latest iOS on your iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch. It's the same thing for all of them. Alright, so let's go right into settings. Under settings, you guys just have to scroll down until you see general. But just before we do that, just make sure you do a backup, and that's just in case things go wrong. You guys can always restore, alright, your backup, and you guys will not lose anything. So I highly recommend doing that. And just do that by tapping up here and then just manually make that backup, or hook it up to your computer and use iTunes, which is a free program which you can use to update your iPhone, iPad, or Touch for free. So you can use that to backup and install your update if you guys don't want to do it this way. However, you will need a computer and you do not need a Mac. iTunes is compatible for both Mac and PC. So you have a Windows computer, just download iTunes and do the update using that. Okay, anyways, if you guys want to just do the update directly from here, if you go to general and software update, which is your second option, you guys will see this. Right away you guys might see install now, or for some of you, you guys will see download and install now. So it's gonna download first, and then you guys have the option to install this. All right. I have my automatic updates turned off, obviously, because some updates you guys just don't want to do right away because they come with huge glitches sometimes, and it's just not a good idea. However, right now it's alright, so you guys can go ahead and click on install. Once you guys tap on install, let me just take you to the process. Your iPhone will restart. You guys will see an Apple logo loading bar, so that's gonna happen. It's gonna load up all the way. It's gonna restart again. That's a quick restart actually, and then that's it. That's it for this update. It's actually fairly small. It's not a huge update. It's just to fix some minor glitches, and there's actually some big ones that are kind of hidden that they also fixed up. So let's just tap on install now, and my screen will go blank. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write them here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.